Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. So guys, we're leaving now for Penang. So I stayed overnight here at Space Hotel. Grabe, cool. And then it's in KL Central. Katabi na siya ng station. So yan, off to Penang. So we're now here sa TBS station. TBS pala. Yan, parang isang malaking station siya. May train ride din, tapos yung mga bus. So ngayon, nahanapin natin kung saan tong platform na to. Kung saan kayo parang i-exchange ata yung e-ticket ko for an actual ticket. Alright! Hi guys! We just arrived here in Georgetown in Penang, Malaysia. So, last night, nag-KL muna tayo, slept there for just one night. And then this morning, nag-bus ride tayo, mga 6 hours din yung bus ride. And we are now here in Penang, Malaysia in Georgetown. Excited to try the culture and the food. So sakto naman pala nakuha kong place. Ay tayo sa parang cultural center nila, cultural area. Late lunch muna tayo ngayon. Mag-lunch muna ako. So guys, we are here in one of the masjid. Tawag is Masjid Kapitan Kelly. Okay, so it's a beautiful masjid. As much as I want to enter, hindi tayo makakapasok because hindi tayo naka-proper attire. No? So we are here now at the Esplanade. We have this tower in the middle. Ayan. It was built, I think, for the Jubilee celebration of. So we are here now at Port Cornwall at the Esplanade.
Second set, Korean song, Japanese song. To our K-pop fans, get ready.
Later got APT or not?
Got
Maybe
APT
have.
got
Ada? Memang ada?
Okay. Get ready for APT song from the Hello Band.
Alright. 那我觉得这就是好像我们今天
Sorry, I tak boleh.
It's actually same.
Opo, last year.
So guys, andito tayo sa city proper ng Georgetown or Penang. May namitis ako mga Pinoy. I attended our church service ngayon sa Every Nation Penang. So good thing I met them kasi wala akong gagawin talaga for today. Mag-stay lang ako sa hotel or balikan yung Art Street sa Penang. Pero yun na, I was able to go to different malls, nakapunta sa mga shopping centers, and now andito kami sa famous soccer place. Yan. So we will be ordering some local foods.
Hi guys, after 3 days here in Penang, we're now here at Sungai Nibong bus station and we're off to Kuala Lumpur where we're going to celebrate New Year's Eve. I forgot to vlog earlier dun sa Red Inn Court where I stayed, so I'll just show the pictures. Hi guys, good morning. Day 1 of tour here in Kuala Lumpur. So it's December 31st, the last day of 2024. So dito tayo mag-New Year. Pero before that, punta muna tayo sa Batok Caves. So from my hotel, walking distance lang, may station. Tapos I forgot kung anong train yon. Tapos 2 stations from there, interchange. Going here sa KTM, going to Batok Caves. So yun yung train nila. Mura lang naman siya, 2.30 ringgit lang siya. So ayun, yun, wait tayo puntang Batok Cave. I'm not sure what time darating yung train na. Let's see! So we are now here at Batok Caves. So it's a Hindu temple that was built in 1891. So may mga monkey. So we have to be very careful with them. And of course, we have to remove our shoes as a sign of respect. So guys, we are now here at sa pinaka I don't know, parang temple area nila. Ayan yung statue of the Hindu god Murugan. And so from what I've read, it's a god of war daw. Ayan guys, finally we have reached KL Tower. Medyo malayo siya. So we finally arrived here at, yeah, there's a tower, KL Tower. And from here you can see Petronas Tower, Twin Towers, yan. And then on the other side, we have Merdeka 118, which is the second tallest building in the world. There's an observatory, of course, on the top of it, but the line is so long, so I decided not to buy the tickets anymore. But it's a great view here of the city. You can see there, of course, Merdeka 118. And of course, there behind the tower is Petronas Twin Towers. So we are now here at the Independence Park or Square of Malaysia. I read na this is the second tallest flagpole. So this is Merdeka Square. Nice. So, so this is the Dataran Merdeka, which is their Independence Square, and you know, as you can see, one of the tallest flagpoles here in Malaysia. That's the National Library, and of course we have here ito nga yung ano, Sultan Abdul Samad Building. Okay, so we are now here at the Independence Square, and this is yung tinatawag nilang Bangunan Sultan Abdul Samad, or yung tinatawag na Sultan Abdul Samad Building. So this was actually built in the 1800s. Parang offices siya ng during that time ng British colonial rule pa sila. So ito Good morning guys, it's our last day here in Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia. So we are now here at we're now here in the River of Life dito sa may malapit sa Independence Square din nila. Okay guys, finally, alright, we're here. There is the Petronas Twin Tower. It was once the tallest building in the world. Ayan. So, punta tayo sa kabilang side. Hi guys! A few minutes before 2025, and ito nga, we're waiting kasi after 25 years magkakaroon ng fireworks display ulit ang KL Tower to celebrate parang a quarter of a century of it na parang na construction. So yan, So, dami nag-aantay guys. Yan. We have a great view here. Malapit lang tayo dun sa deck ng KL Towers. Let's see! Oh! So guys, we are now here at Merdeka 118. Ayun, kasi 118 floors siya. So it's the second tallest building in the world. Yan. I think under construction pa rin siya. Hindi pa rin fully finished yung building ata. May ginagawa pa sa side niya. Happy New Year everyone! So it's time to go back to the Philippines. It's been a great overseas holiday trip in Singapore and Malaysia. So I stayed here at Sakura Elite Hotel. Cheap lang siya. You can find them in a lot of areas po natin. So ayun nga. So this is the hotel entrance. So yun, Christmas tree pa sila. So I had fun. I had fun in Singapore, Penang, and here in Kuala Lumpur. So anyway, yeah, I'll be back and see you in my next travel and happy new year again.